Let's go through the answers for the study guide. First question we have here, the perimeter is 25, so the distance all the way around is 25. I'm trying to find the side. 5 plus 11 is 16. I need to subtract that from the 25, and it's going to tell me side S equals 9. Same kind of thing happening down here on the trapezoid. Add up the other side, so I got 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 5 is 19. Take that away from 28. And again, I'm going to have 9. Joe ran 3 laps of the track. How far did he run? Okay, so I need to get the entire distance around the track. If I'm doing a lap, I'm going all the way around. 250 plus 250 is 500. 75 and 75 is 150. When I add them together, that's 650. Don't stop there though, because it says he did 3 laps. So now I'm going to take the 650 times 3, and I'm going to get an answer of 1,950 feet. The numbers below are all in blocks. If Mary walked the dogs around the shape below, how many blocks did she walk? Okay, I'm looking for perimeter because it says she's going around. So I'm just starting here and going 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 9 is 23, plus 4 is 27, plus 8, 35, plus 4 is 39, plus 20 gets me to 59 blocks. We're sliding up. How many 1 square foot tile covers to how many 1 square foot floor tiles to cover the floor? So I got a rectangle, area equals width times length. So I got 12 times 8, 96. And since they're each 1 square foot, that's exactly what I need is 96 tiles. How much wood do you need to make a frame for the picture below? Well, picture frames go on the outside of something. So again, this is a perimeter problem. 5 plus 5 is 10. 3.5 plus 3.5. I'm going to add that on twice. My 10, might as well go ahead and make it 10.0. So there's 10, carry my 1, 147. 17 inches to go around a 3.5 by 5 inch picture. How many square feet will mom need to carpet the hall and kitchen below? Okay, if mom's putting carpet down, she wants to cover the entire thing. So I'm going to cut right here. There's my angled part. My angled part is 4 by 10, so there's 40 feet. And the big part in here, okay, going from here to here, that's really 11. And going top down is really 16. So 16 times 11 is going to give me 176 plus 40, 216 square feet. Mom needs a carpeting. What's the area of the shape below? Since it's a parallelogram, we're going to do base times height. The base is 8.4. The height is 3.7. We're going to have to do some multiplying. 7 times 4 is 28. Carry my 2, 56, 58. Marco, Polo, 3 times 4 is 12. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25. When I go to add, there's an 8 and a 0. Carry my 1. 11, carry my 1. 3108, and I went 1, 2 spots over. So 31.08 square feet. How much fence does the farmer need to go around his fence? Since we're going around, we need perimeter. So this side's also 150 and that side's 60. 150 plus 150 is 300. 60 and 60 is 120. And if we add them together, we're going to get 420 feet. The bulletin board comes in pieces that are 3 feet long. How many pieces would you need to go around the bulletin board below? I can do this one a couple of ways. One of the ways is just think how many 3s do you need? Or the other way is I'm just going to, like if I want to say how many 3s do I need, so how many 3s do I need to cover this 6? Well, there's a 3 and another 3. How many 3s do I need to cover a 12? 3, 6, 9, 12. How many 3s to cover this 6? 3, 6. How many threes to cover this? 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. Now we just add them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The other way I could do that is add up the perimeter. So 12 plus 12 is 24. 6 plus 6 is 12. 24 plus 12 gets me to 36. And then I'm going to divide that by the 3 feet long pieces, and you'll find out you need 12 of them. So it works the same both ways. Okay, we are looking for the perimeter, so I don't care about the area formula. I just need the 3 real sides, which would be 6.7, 3.9, and 4.8. When I add them, 16, 24, carry my 2, 8, 11, 15. Get my decimal in there, 15.4 inches. How many cubic inches of water can the aquarium below hold? So I got 30 by 50 by 20. Shortcut, I'm going to get rid of 1, 2, 3 zeros. And then I've just got 3 times 5 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 30,000 cubic inches. What's the area of the shape below? Well, it's a triangle, so we got half times base, 3.6, times the height, which is 2. Well, I'm going to do half of 2, which is 1, and I just got 1 times 3.6, which equals 3.6 square inches. How many of box C will fit in box D? So I need to find the volume of each thing. So this one's going to be easy. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27 cubic inches. So now I need to come over here and find the volume of box D. 6 times 12 times 3. So let's see, 6 times 12. I'm at 72 times 3, 216. So box D holds 216 cubic inches. So now I need to take 216 divided by 27. And in my head, to get something close, I like money. And 27 is really close to 25. So I'm thinking about how many quarters in $2.16. And 8 quarters would get me to $2 even. So I'm going to go with 8 and try it out. 8 times 7 is 56. Here's my 5. 1621, and it comes out perfectly. 8 of box C's would fit in one box D. Um, got a couple more here. I've already written a lot on there, so let me do a little bit of racing. What's the area of the shape below? It's a triangle again, so I'm going to do 1/2 times the base, which is 4, times the real height, which is 6. Half of 4 is 2. 2 times 6 is going to get me to 12 square inches. The perimeter is 36. How long could sides A and B be? Well, if the bottom is B, the top's also B, and if the side going that way is A, then this side's also A. One thing I like to do is remember perimeter is all the way around, so I'm going to take that 36, cut it in 2, which is really 18. So now, if I only go halfway around, that's going to be 18. So I could do 10 plus 8, 9 plus 9, 11 plus 7, 12 plus 6, 13 plus 5, 14 plus 4, 13 plus 5, 12 plus 6, 17 plus 1. Cannot do an 18 plus 0. I may have skipped one in there. The area of rectangle ABCD is 44 square feet, so the area of triangle ABC is what? Well, if the entire rectangle is 44, you can see we're cutting it in down the middle, and ABC is half of this rectangle. So what's half of 44? 44 divided by 2, which is going to equal 22 square feet. Circle all of the shapes that would have the same area as shape B. It says area, so width times length, 24. So we're looking for any of them that multiply together to get 24. 5 times 5 is 25. Close but no cigar. 8 times 3 is 24. So winner, winner, chicken dinner. 8 times 2 is 16. Sorry. 12 times 2 is 24. So there's another winner. A can of paint covers 80 square feet. How many cans of paint would you need to paint the outside of the barn wall below? So our barn wall was 80 by 20. I need to multiply that together. We got our two zeros going. So 80 by 20 is 16 with two zeros after it. 1,600 square feet. That's how much we need to cover, and each can of paint only does 80, so we're really doing 1,600 divided by 80. It's not near as bad as what you think it's going to be. There are no 80s in 1. There are no 80s in 16. Now we have 160. Oh, there's just two 80s there, and 2 times 80 is exactly 160. Bring down that last zero, and there are no 80s there, so it would have taken 20 cans. You also might have wanted to think this way while I was doing this. Since it was 80 square feet, that means this 80 square feet would be 1 foot this way for each 80 that's long. That's 1 can of paint would do that 80 feet, 80 square feet right there. Since I'm going down 20, I'm going to need 20 of those long, skinny rectangles. What's the area of the shape below? Well, it's a trapezoid. So I'm going to do 1/2 times the height, which is 8, times parentheses base 1 is 25, plus base 2 is 16. Not pretty numbers this time. 25 plus 16 is 41. So we got 1/2 times 8 times 41. Definitely doing half times 8, which is 4. Oh, maybe not as bad as I thought. 41 times 4, 164 square centimeters.